Students, our next topic is radio buttons. Radio buttons are group of mutually exclusive buttons. So these are group of mutually exclusive buttons. So in which only one button is selected at any one time. Okay. So it is a group of mutually exclusive buttons in which only one button is selected. Only one button is selected at any time. Okay, so this is the radio button at any time. So here radio buttons implements J radio button. Radio button implements J radio button class. Okay, so here J radio button has several constructors. One used here is J radio button string str. So radio buttons are like this. So for example, select gender. Okay, so radio buttons are circles. For example, gender, male and female. So you select any one button. Okay, so you cannot select both buttons. You can select only one button at any time. So that is the radio button. So J radio button string str. So it creates a radio button with string str as a label. Okay, so several constructors are available for radio buttons. Okay, so for example, we are creating a radio button like this. Radio button, for example, male. Okay, so here the male is the string str. So male radio button will be created. Okay, so in order for the mutually exclusive nature to be activated, so we need to group buttons together. Okay, so in this group any one button can be selected at any time. Okay, so we are selecting only one button at any time. For example, male female, in this we are selecting only one button at any time. Okay, so ఈ రేడియో బటన్స్ మరి ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తాము? సో యాక్చువల్లీ వీ క్రియేట్ ఎ బటన్ గ్రూప్. So button group is a collection of all the radio buttons. Okay, in order to achieve the mutually exclusive nature of radio buttons, we need to create a button group and we add all the radio button elements to this button group. Okay, so means button group advantage is, for example, if we select one radio button, we are in this gender we selected male. So after that I am moving to female, means I am selecting female. So automatically, so the previously selected button is deselected. Okay, means male is deselected when you select female. For example, if you select male, female is deselected, means so one button is deselected when you select other button. Okay, means this is the mutually exclusive button. Mutually exclusive nature means mutually exclusive nature is nothing but one button is mutually exclusive nature with other button. One is selected and other is deselected automatically. Okay, so that is the mutually exclusive nature. So button group is created by using a default constructor, that is button group. We will see that in our program. So we add all the elements, radio button elements, to this button group. Okay, in order to achieve mutually exclusive nature of radio buttons, we need to add all radio button elements to the button group. Remember this point. So here the constructor is void add abstract button AB. So this is the constructor. So AB is the element to be added to the button group. Okay, so AB is the radio button element to be added to the button group. So now, so radio buttons, when you select a radio button, an action event or item event generated. Okay, so mostly radio buttons generate action events. Okay, So action events are handled by the action performed method, which is the method of the action listener interface. Okay, so it generates actions. So these actions are handled by the action performed method, which we discussed in our most of the previous classes. So action performed method is in action listener interface. Action listener interface. So we take action event object within the action performed method in order to handle the action event. So what is action event here? If selecting a radio button or selecting a radio button is an action event, means you are selecting a radio button is nothing but so an action event is generating at that time. Okay, so that is handled by the action performed method available in the action listener interface. So here look at the programs. The following program creates 3 radio buttons. Okay, so now look at the program. So here import java.aw. These lines are very well known lines. So JRadio button demo is our class implements action listener. In our previous checkbox we have taken item listener. So here action listener, JLabel, JLab. So previous, so it is similar to previous program. So public, we are creating a JLabel object to public JRadio button demo. So here it is a constructor. So it is the same name as the class name JFrame, JFrame equals new JFrame, JRadio button demo by A. Srinivasa. So it creates a JFrame with the title as JRadio button demo by A. Srinivasa. So JFrame set layout, new flow layout, we know this, and set default close operation, we know. So set size, this is also a known method. Okay, this is also our familiar method. Set size 400 200. So it is setting the size of the frame with the 400 pixels width and 200 pixels height. So JLab, so we are using JLab object here, new JLabel. Select your favorite subject. Select your favorite subject is the label displayed in your frame. Okay, so we are adding the JLabel to JFrame. Next, JRadio button, look here, JRadio button JRB1 equals to new JRadio button software engineering. So software engineering, so JRadio button string str. Okay, so JRadio button string str. So here also JRadio button, this is the string. Software engineering is our string. Okay, so means we are creating a radio button. Okay, so that is JRB1. The software engineering radio button will be stored in JRB1. Okay, label is stored in JRB1. So JRB1 add action listener. We are adding action listeners for this software engineering radio button. So that's why this JFrame button, because many radio buttons are involved in our program. That's why we are taking this JFrame that add JRB1. We are adding JRadio button to the frame by using add method. We know this. So the next 3 lines are similar to the previous 3 lines. So we are creating a advanced Java radio button by using JRadio button constructor. So we are adding this radio button to the frame. Okay, next DBMS, we are creating DBMS radio button. We are adding to the frame. So button group BG, so this is the important class in our JRadio button. So because of this all the mutually exclusive nature will be achieved. Okay, so means whenever you select one radio button, after that you are selecting other, means the previously selected radio button will be deselected after selecting the new radio button. That is achieved by using button group. So button group ki mana add chestunnamo. BG is the object for the button group class. So button group constructor, this is the default constructor. So BG dot add JRB1. JRB1 is nothing but this radio button. So means software engineering radio button. We are adding software engineering radio button to the button group. So JRB2 by using add method. Okay, so here add abstract AB, abstract button AB. AB is nothing, abstract button AB is nothing but JRB1 radio button element. Okay, so JRB2 add chestunnamo. In a similar way JRB3 we are adding. So JFrame set visible to 2 చేసాము. Action performed, action event AE, we know this method. So whenever we select or deselect, whenever we select a radio button, so action event is generated, that is handled by the action performed method. So we have discussed this so many times. JLab set text, we are setting the in the set text method you selected will be displayed. So a dot get action command is used to obtain the text or label, okay, or it is used to obtain the radio button text, okay. So radio button string name or radio button text, okay. So that will be attached to the you selected. For example, I am selecting DBMS. So the DBMS get action command means the DBMS text will be achieved by the get action command. So we are using a set text method, okay. We are setting the text for the label as you selected and the corresponding radio button text, okay. For example, if you select DBMS will come here. If you select advanced Java radio button, so advanced Java text will come by using get action command method. So public static void main string, guys, we know this method. So new J radio button, it goes to the new J radio button, okay, here. So I am executing this program. Java C J radio button demo.java compile successfully. Java radio button demo. So here it is our output. So select your favorite subject, okay. So I have already added this, select your favorite subject. So that is the label displayed before radio buttons. Software engineering, this is the radio button, software engineering advanced Java DBMS. So here I am selecting software engineering is nothing but I am selecting radio button. So radio button select చేసుకున్నప్పుడు ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది. సో మన ఈ యాక్షన్ పర్ఫామ్కి వస్తుంది. అప్పుడు ఆ రేడియో బటన్ అనే టెక్స్ట్ని మనకు తీసుకొస్తుంది గెట్ యాక్షన్ కమాండ్ అనే మెథడ్. ఏ రేడియో బటన్ అయితే మనం సెలెక్ట్ చేసామో ఆ రేడియో బటన్కి సంబంధించిన టెక్స్ట్ వస్తుంది మనకు బై యూజింగ్ గెట్ యాక్షన్ కమాండ్. సో ఆ టెక్స్ట్కి ఆ రేడియో బటన్కి సంబంధించిన టెక్స్ట్ మనం యూ సెలెక్టెడ్కి అటాచ్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో దాన్ని లేబుల్గా డిస్ప్లే చేస్తాము సెట్ టెక్స్ట్. సో హియర్ ఐఎమ్ సెలెక్టింగ్ అడ్వాన్స్డ్ జావా, యూ సెలెక్ట్ అడ్వాన్స్డ్ జావా. సో ఐఎమ్ deselecting DBMS. So then the previously selected advanced Java radio button will be deselected, okay. So DBMS, so advanced Java radio button will be deselected. This is known as mutual exclusion, okay, mutual exclusion agent. Next, software engineering, you selected DBMS, I am selecting software engineering. So whenever I select software engineering, the DBMS radio button will be deselected, okay. So this is the nature of the mutual exclusion. You selected software engineering. So students, this is the J radio button class. Thank you.